As you can see, there's still a little bit of a fade line, so I switched over to the one guard and try to remove it as much as I can. Now we're switching over to our 3 guard all the way open and we're debulking our silhouette. We're making sure we debulk as much as possible and make the fade as smooth as possible. As you can see, I'm using my opposite hand to hold all the long hairs down just in case I don't want to cut them. Now I'm going back to the fade and I'm detailing with my previous guards like the 1.5 guard. Now that we're done with the fade, we can move on to the hairline and debulk with the 1 guard all the way open once we're done combing all the hairs in place. Then we can move on to our Annis T outliners and start off in the middle, working our way to the sides. Now we're moving on to the right side and we're making sure all the hairs are combed down before we line him up. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, if you made it this far into the video, leave a comment down below. I'm 100% gonna reply to it. Now that we're done lining them up, we can move on to our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades and make them as crispy as possible. Remember to lather the skin with shave gel before you use the razor, because if you don't, it could pull on the skin. Also, you want to keep the razor at a 45-degree angle while stretching the skin as much as possible.